As I look back, all things I've done, I don't deserve the place you made for me. Everlasting joy, everlasting life you gave for me. Entrance of heaven, open so wide. Entrance of heaven, open for me. Open by the holy blood flowing out from holy cross of life, all for me. When all is done, I will soar up high, and when I'm home, my spirit shall live on. I will cry no more in His warm embrace eternal.